Welcome to the channel, guys, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today we have something truly extraordinary in store for you. Get ready to have your mind blown as we present 5 incredible tech gadgets that will blow your mind in 2023. So if you're as excited as we are to witness the future unfold right before our eyes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss a single mind-blowing gadget we'll be showcasing in this video. Now let's get started. At number 1 on our list is Razer Anzu Smart Glasses. These smart glasses come with blue light filtering and polarized sunglass lenses, providing dual protection for your eyes. The blue light filter reduces screen glare, protecting your eyes from strain and fatigue while you enjoy entertainment or work on digital devices. Experience seamless audio with the Razer Anzu thanks to its low latency connection. With an industry-leading 60 Mbps Bluetooth connection, you can enjoy smooth and uninterrupted sound without any delays or skips, allowing you to stay fully immersed in your audio experience. Stay connected with hands-free convenience using the built-in microphone and speakers. The discreet omnidirectional microphone integrated into the frame allows you to take calls without the need for holding your phone. Enjoy clear and crisp conversations while keeping your hands free for other tasks. Number 2. Dyson V15 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, the most powerful and intelligent cordless vacuum designed for whole home deep cleans. Engineered specifically for homes with pets, this vacuum combines powerful suction, long run time, and specialized tools to effectively clean every corner of your home. With up to 60 minutes of runtime and a power-saving trigger, the Dyson V15 Detect maximizes battery life by using power only when needed. The actual runtime may vary based on the power mode and attachments used, providing you with flexible cleaning options. Equipped with a precisely angled laser, this vacuum reveals microscopic dust on hard floors, ensuring that no speck of dirt goes unnoticed. The laser illumination makes invisible dust visible, helping you achieve a thorough clean. This vacuum comes with 2 advanced cleaner heads. The laser slim fluffy head reveals hidden dust on hard floors, while the digital motor bar deep cleans carpets and hard floors with its detangling technology. With the Dyson V15 Detect, you can easily transition from floor cleaning to handheld mode, making it versatile for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. It includes 7 Dyson-engineered tools, including the innovative hair screw tool for efficient pet hair removal. Featuring advanced whole machine filtration, this vacuum traps 99.99% of particles and dust as small as 0.3 microns. The washable filter can be reused for the lifetime of the machine, reducing waste and ensuring long-lasting performance. Number 3. Lumos Ultra Smart Bike Helmet, a revolutionary helmet designed to provide an extra layer of safety and enhance your riding experience. With customizable front and back LED lights, this helmet ensures that you are highly visible to vehicles from all angles, significantly increasing your safety on the road. The Lumos Ultra has taken the biking world by storm, becoming the most backed Kickstarter project in the bike category and the most funded in the bike accessories category. Its innovative design and advanced features have captured the attention and support of cyclists worldwide. One standout feature of the Lumos Ultra is its ability to indicate your turning intentions. The bright LED lights on the helmet communicate your turns to those behind you, improving communication and ensuring a safer riding experience. The wireless handlebar-mounted remote allows you to easily control the turning signals without taking your hands off the handlebars. Not only does the Lumos Ultra prioritize safety, but it also makes for a fantastic gift for any cyclist. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, it is guaranteed to bring a smile to any rider's face. Once you experience the Lumos Ultra, you won't want to go back to using any other helmet. The helmet incorporates MIPS, Multi-Directional Impact Protection System, head protection, a clever safety design that helps protect your head by allowing the helmet to absorb rotational impact forces. This innovative technology enhances your overall protection, giving you peace of mind while riding. Connect your smartphone to the Lumos Ultra and unlock a range of additional features. Customize the pattern of your helmet's LEDs, adjust the brightness to suit your preference, and even synchronize your lights with other Lumos helmets using the new Team Sync feature. You can also track your rides directly from your phone. The helmet's battery can last up to 10 hours and can be easily charged using a universal USB Type-C charging cable. Number 4. Ring Alarm Pro 8-Piece Kit. This comprehensive kit not only helps protect your home against break-ins, but also ensures that your connected devices run on a secure mesh Wi-Fi network. Customize your home protection with this kit, which includes the Alarm Pro base station, keypad, contact sensors for Windows doors, motion detector for a hallway room, and alarm range extender. Expand your coverage by adding alarm sensors and Eero 6 extenders, available separately, to cover more rooms and detect more threats. Enjoy fast and secure internet connectivity with speeds of up to 900 Mbps, covering an area of up to 1,500 square feet. Create a secure network with optional online threat protection for peace of mind. Take your protection to the next level by adding optional Alarm Professional monitoring, which provides 24/7 emergency response for police, fire, and medical situations. Keep your Ring Alarm online even during power outages for uninterrupted security. Subscription to the Ring Protect Pro plan is required and sold separately. With the Ring Alarm Pro, you can expand your security setup by connecting additional devices such as the glass break sensor, smoke and CO listener, flood and freeze sensor, security cameras, video doorbells, Ring smart lighting, and more. Safeguard every corner of your home with ease. Number 5. Nanit Pro Smart Baby Monitor. This high-quality camera captures 1080p HD video, allowing you to see your baby from anywhere using the Nanit app. It provides a clear and detailed view of your little one. The included wall mount is ASTM certified for safe cord cover and offers easy installation with a built-in level. It ensures secure and stable positioning of the camera for optimal monitoring. Nanit is the only smart monitor that offers a split-screen feature, allowing you to view 2 cameras on one screen. This is particularly useful if you have multiple children or want to monitor different areas of the room simultaneously. The Nanit Pro tracks your baby's breathing motions and sends real-time sound and motion alerts through the app to your smartphone. This ensures you're promptly notified if any unusual activity is detected. Nanit prioritizes security and offers 256-bit AES encryption to protect your data. You can safely and securely add multiple users, control their access to different features, and share precious moments with loved ones. And there you have it. We've reached the end of our video showcasing the 5 incredible tech gadgets that are set to blow your mind in 2023. We hope you enjoyed this mind-blowing journey through the realm of futuristic technology. If you found these gadgets as mind-blowing as we did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech wonders.